Kim Marshall, and I am the CEO and lead designer of Elevation HomeBuilders. Elevation HomeBuilders actually began in 2017, and we focus on new build construction as well as remodels. When acquiring the home, the first thing that we did was looked at the main floor plan. We definitely wanted to maximize the space and functionality of the home, so one of the first things that we did was add a powder bath on the main floor in addition to a mudroom and a pantry in the kitchen. The kitchen definitely did not have any wow factor, so we wanted to make a focal point and kind of open it up a little bit by adding a large brick range, which is definitely a showstopper, in addition to an island. Some of the features that this kitchen has are beautiful black GE Cafe appliances, white quartz countertops, and then black and brass accents. Some of my favorite features are the pot filler behind both the stove in addition to the pantry as well, which is great for coffee and espresso makers in the morning. So this remodel was actually themed after the traditional lofts and brownstone styled homes. And so what we wanted to do is really play on the industrial kind of black and white loft vibes. So two features that I love are the laid-in-place oak hardwood floors in addition to the industrial style light fixtures throughout. So another design element that I really like about the basement is the brick that we've added around the windows. The bedrooms upstairs feature vaulted ceilings in addition to beautiful black plantation shutters. And one of my favorite spaces is actually the master bathroom. Within the master bathroom, we have gorgeous charcoal herringbone floors, as well as a fully tiled master shower. Next up, we have the guest bedroom, and we actually relocated the second bathroom door to be placed within the bedroom so that it's its own suite.